Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And in today's table topic is how do you deal with someone in a position of power who wants you to fail? How do you deal with someone in a position of power who wants you to fail? Okay, how would I deal with this adverse situation? In my opinion, I wouldn't deal with that someone. Why? Why I wouldn't waste my energy in dealing with someone like that. See, most often, what I want to say is long back when I read or maybe I watched something in that uh, video or resource, the message was your behavior is determined by somebody else's action. So if someone wants you to angry, it is very easy to make you angry, right? Maybe you're walking down the road or or, or he will say something to you, right? And you will be angry and you will lose your farm, right? And I just remembered of one incident that is from my village that there is uh, the village head and who and once he was just walking down or in the morning he was going for a morning walk and there was someone who was on tractor and he just abused him. But that person didn't say anything. He just listened and just uh, did not say anything and just went away. And and that incident is after that incident he dealt with him in a different way, and that person came running and asking for forgiveness. Right. The thing that I want to bring home, the message I want to bring home is that you should not react at this like your behavior should not be at the behest of someone. If somebody wants to make you angry, you shouldn't be. Right. That's the way I would deal with. I will just won't deal with that person. I will just do whatever I'm supposed to do. And it's just that if somebody wants me to fail, then I would bring my A game. That's for sure. Because that presents opportunity for me to shine as well. And if I look back in my past work, whenever somebody doubted my potential, that is when I brought my best. That is when I proved people wrong. And what happened because of that, what I become is I have become good at proving people wrong. In fact, I am best at proving people wrong. So that's how I would deal with the current situation. Thank you. Over to you.